In this video, I'm going to show you how Adwave can automatically turn your website into a fully produced TV ad in just a few minutes, and how you can easily customize it, launch a campaign, and start tracking the results all in one place. So let's go ahead and jump in. So here we are on adwave.com, and to get started, all we have to do is enter our website URL right here on the homepage. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in mine. And once I have that pasted, all I'm going to do is click on Create Your TV Ad. Now, once I click on that button, all we have to do is wait just a few minutes. Adwave is going to go to our website, it's going to scan our website, understand our business, and then create our ad for us automatically. And then from there, we can make changes to it as we please. So I'm going to give this just a few minutes to go ahead and get my ad created, and then we'll come back. Okay, and once Adwave is done creating that ad for us, we are now put into the editor of that ad. On the left-hand side, we have our input box where we can communicate with Adwave and begin making changes. And on the right-hand side, we can see a preview of the ad that was created for us, and it's broken down by scene. So I can go ahead and click on play. And it's going to go ahead and play that ad for us. We can also click on each individual scene as we wish as well. And we can scroll through here and see we have 6 total scenes. Now, if you are completely happy with this ad, that's amazing. You can click on continue and move forward. However, you may want to make some minor changes to your ad. Maybe you want to change some of the text, you want to change some colors, some of the images, the voice, the music. You can literally change anything that you want. And to do that, all we have to do is come over here on the left-hand side and input the message of what it is that we want to change using natural language, and Adwave will understand what it is that we are trying to do. Not only that, we can also click on edit and select the type of change that we want. So let's go ahead and do a quick demonstration. On the right-hand side, let's click on scene number 2. And it says sustainable dining without compromise. Maybe I want to change that text. So on the left-hand side, I am going to click on text. Then it's going to ask me what scene I want to change. I'm going to click on scene number 2. And when I do that, it's going to show me the text that is inside of scene number 2. So now I can click it again, and it's going to open up this little text box where I can make a change. And let's just change a word. Instead of dining, let's just say enjoyment. And once we have that, we're going to click on confirm. Now we can see Adwave is updating that text for us, and it's already finished before I could even finish that sentence. Now inside of scene 2, we can see sustainable enjoyment without compromise, and we can keep doing that back and forth and make changes anywhere that we would like. All right. Now once we are finished with that, we can go ahead and click on continue. And if you are not signed in, it's going to ask you to go ahead and sign up for free to create your account. So go ahead and do that, and then click on sign up for free. If you already have an account, you can click on log in, and then log in with your email and password here, and then click on log in. Now, once we are logged in, our next option is to choose what we want our TV ad to do. So we can aim for brand awareness, sales, or local engagement. And if you're not sure, just go ahead and select one. You can always make a change in the next step. So I'm going to go with brand awareness, then I'm going to click on continue. The next screen is our review screen. We have our campaign name, and we can edit that by clicking here. We also have our campaign details that we can customize by clicking this option here, and we can adjust our budget, our schedule, and our targeting. Now, once we are happy with everything, we've done our final checks, we can check this little box here that says that we have reviewed our ad, and we understand that it cannot be edited after purchase. So we have that check marked, and now we're going to click on continue. Finally, we need to choose our membership and fund our campaign. So we have 3 different membership levels. We have launch, growth, and scale. And then just below that, we have a breakdown of our campaign and what the cost is going to be for you today. And once you have everything selected, go ahead and click on continue to payment. The next screen is going to be the checkout page. Go ahead and enter your payment information and then click on subscribe. And once we submit that payment, it's going to redirect us back to Adwave. We can see that our subscription is being set up. And then just like that, we can see our campaign has been created successfully. And we have a breakdown here of everything that's included, our campaign details. And on the right-hand side, we have a nice breakdown of what happens next. So we can see our payment was confirmed, and now our campaign is under review. After that, our campaign will go live, and then we'll begin seeing our first analytics. So now from here, we can click on Visit Your Dashboard. And here inside of your dashboard is where you will see a list of all of the ads that you are running. As of right now, we only have the one that we just created. As we can see, it is upcoming. And then from here, we'll be able to see our budget, how many views we've gotten, and we can even click on details to view even more in-depth analytics and see how our ad is performing. And that's it. From entering your website to launching a live TV ad and tracking performance, Adwave handles the entire process end to end. So if you are looking for a faster, simpler way to get your business on TV without the usual complexity or cost, Adwave makes it incredibly straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.